What's up guys, my name is Sri and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, like I told you in my previous videos that I would be ordering a custom bracket for the intake cover, which really restricts the amount of airflow that goes into the engine. So I thought maybe a custom bracket would be nice, so I ordered it, and this is how it looks like. I will leave the link of this product on the description below so that you guys can check it out. So it's a straight swap, so you remove the screws, take the intake cover out, and then you can just put it in, and see the amount of gap that it has allows more air to really get pumped into your engine so that your engine breathes much better. So I'm very much excited about this stuff because again, this will make your not only make your engine go fast, your motorcycle go fast, excuse me, but in the long run your engine will be much better, much nicely maintained, if you ask me. So yeah, let's get to it. Final screw comes off, and off comes the intake cover. See the amount of air that goes in, it just like goes there. That's, I mean, okay. And I'll be replacing it with this. It's a straight swap. The quality of the product feels very nice and genuine quality. It is zinc plated to prevent rusting in edges and on the inside. It is also powder coated to make it extra tough. Yeah, it is rust proof. And don't worry about this being compatible with only Interceptor. It's compatible with both the models because they're identical in almost everything except for the riding ergonomics and the fuel tank. But with this plate, you get a better air intake for better power and fuel efficiency. So I am really excited to ride it out on the normal streets and make another video on that, like as to how this performs. This small piece of metal is a must-have if you are planning to change your air filter to an aftermarket one. Okay, so there you have it. Nice and easy for more air to go in. I think this is manufactured in Bangalore because I ordered this from Amazon. It doesn't come out of the Prime section, so you'll get it in about 2 to 3 business days, and that's really worth it if you ask me. And yeah, that's a straight swap. I can't wait to ride this bike more and give you a good insight as to how it affects the performance. I've read a lot about it, I've watched a lot of videos also, that it really does boost your engine performance, but I want to see it for myself, so hence the video. After you're done with that, be sure to, yeah, of course, duh, we know, Sri, we know. Make sure it's nice and secure. Put the seat back in. The seat automatically clicks there. You don't have to just hit it. That's just insane. Why would you do that? And that's about it for today's video. A like rating is always appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. Sri out.